Cold and windy across Southern California. Some areas are shivering under freezing temperatures.
Yeah, we have live team coverage this morning for you, beginning with CBS 2's Jake Reiner, who is live in Palmdale. Jake, good morning.
Good morning, DeMarco and Suzanne. You know, when you got wind advisories and you've got freeze warning effects in place, that's a combination nobody welcomes. Without looking at the numbers,
I think it's pretty cold in Palmdale,
In Palmdale, it's colder than Frosty the Snowman's ideal home temperature.
It's really cold.
Yeah.
I'm freezing.
That's a good way to put it, because the National Weather Service had hard freeze warnings in effect this morning in the Antelope, Apple, Lucerne, and Ojai valleys, with temperatures dropping below freezing.
It's cool, but it ain't cool to walk.
DeMonte Clark, Palmdale resident and girl dad, walked his daughters to school.
Walking right now, it's like freezing, so I hope everybody got their gloves and their jackets on.
Just like Anaya and Journey, both had different ways of getting ready, but bundled up they were.
Well, I laid out all my clothes for last night, and then I decided which jacket I wanted to wear.
I wear all my stuff, and then when my dad tells me to wake up, all I have to do is put on my beanie and my backpack.
Sunday into Monday, the wind whipped through different parts of the Southland. Signs fell everywhere, in Hollywood, Huntington Beach, and South LA.
What is it like to work in this type of weather?
It gets pretty brisk, I'm not gonna lie. You know, once the wind picks up, you get that little red chapness, and then it starts to kick in, you know. You feel that little dampness hit the bones.
Yeah, it certainly hit the bones out here. Couldn't have said it better myself. That guy, Levi Stanley, is actually originally from upstate New York, and this is like their October weather, so he's just fine. But in all seriousness, according to the National Weather Service, you should really protect your pets, your plants, and your pipes. And of course, use proper heating. Don't try to heat your home with your oven, your barbecue, or your stove. Reporting live in Palmdale, I'm Jake Reiner, CBS 2 News.